Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share another interesting case with you that we've got in the workshop today. I have this particular vehicle towed in because of an engine noise, a real rattle in the top end of the engine, and a bit of a slightly lower normal idle on the vehicle. Now again, this is a particular issue we have struck before, but I just want to put it out there so in case you haven't, you don't get caught. In listening to the noise, sounds definitely coming from the engine. It's going to be an oil pressure issue or something in the top end of the engine has worn or been going away. So it's a CX-9 Mazda, a 2011 with a 3.7 litre engine in it, automatic transmission. In the end, it ends up being a fault with the torque converter. So the torque converter eventually gives up. That does affect the idle of the vehicle, number one, but also produces this real rattle. And it can get worse or better as the car warms up or cools down. Now we do have a couple of repair solutions already in the system for it, but again, we've been struck with it, so that's why I thought I would share it with you, that the torque converters can give up, and it does get... Now Mazda do indicate that if you disconnect the variable valve timing solenoids, the noise should go away. In this particular case, it's not, it's staying there, but it's still the torque converter. That can be a bit of a telltale sign as well, that if you disconnect the variable valve timing solenoids, and then that should, the noise, if it changes or goes away, definitely confirms that it's the torque converter of it. So this particular repair solution was put up by one of our technical team, and Anthony Tidd, down at Briggs Automotive down in Bendigo, Victoria. So thanks, Anthony. But it's one of those cases that you really can get caught chasing the wrong, what you think the noise is coming from, when it's coming from a totally different area. So again, if you remember, make sure you're consulting the website, making sure you're utilising the repair solutions and information. Let Tech Tina find it for you. In this case, Mazda CX-9 with engine rattle on the top end. Let her find this particular information for you. She's fantastic as a research assistant for you as a member. So hit her up, ask her or tell her what your problems are in the vehicle. Let her find out the information from the website. Hopefully that helps you out. See you next time.